This upgrade to Adagio OrderEntry version 8.1F extends the functionality of sending or viewing customer documents. You can now attach additional files whenever you print, fax, or email documents for your customers. First, set this up from the company profile. When you visit the Optional Specs tab, each of the document types have a specific attachment folder that you can define, either individual folders for each document type, or you could use the same one. These default folders can save PDF files for attachment. When you choose to print, fax, or email any of the document types, either a range or a specific order, invoice, or credit note, you can now attach a single specific PDF from this location. You cannot browse to a different folder, only from this specific folder set up from the company profile. The PDF file name that you attach cannot have any spaces or special characters and cannot exceed a particular length. And whether you print, fax, or email this document, the additional PDF will be included. Let's email and add it to the queue. When we look at the queue, we will see that in addition to the original order confirmation, the PDF has been auto-attached. In addition to this particular PDF, you can, for a single specific email queue entry or multiple, I can right-click and attach a file. And I can choose from a different folder any type of document, and I can even multi-select to include multiple documents at one time. So this will include user-attached files along with the PDFs when you email a document. Previous versions of OrderEntry, it was possible to set up each customer the allowed ways of receiving documents, either print, fax, or email. But if you weren't careful, it was possible to send the customer the same document in multiple ways. Now, when you edit a customer and visit the Invoicing tab, in addition to the allowed methods, you can now specify a preferred send method. The list of available choices is based on the allowed send methods. Once this is saved, and you print a range of documents, either order confirmations, or invoices, or credit notes, you can now match the preferred send method when sending the documents. In this case, if I were to choose email, only those customers with a preferred send method of email will be receiving the invoice. The others would be skipped, even if they were allowed to have invoices and their preferred method was something different. When I send everything to the queue, now you can see the particular document has been set. Note that print picking slips does not have the match preferred method because this is an internal document, not a customer document. Also, when printing a one-off from the Enter Order screen, the option isn't here because you're always allowed to send documents in any way when you print a single document. If OrderEntry is integrated with Adagio ePrint, then whenever you print, fax, or email an invoice or a credit note, you may choose to create a replicate copy of that sending by using this Archive PDF Customer Copy option. The PDF that gets saved is linked to within Adagio OrderEntry so that when you open up a particular tab and you highlight a record where that PDF was created, a View PDF button is visible. click this button to open up a window to view the PDF. You could resize the document or the window. You can also force this window to stay on top. If the document was printed or faxed or emailed without that option set, when you highlight the document, you'll see that the View PDF button becomes invisible. While you're viewing a PDF, you can click on the screen and it will load that particular document when it exists, or a blank screen if it doesn't. Credit notes are also supported in addition to invoices. Other places where you can view PDFs of documents, either invoices or credit notes, are the Invoice Credit Note Inquiry screens, Order Entry History for invoices or credit notes, the Invoice or Credit Note Item Lookup from History, or the Adagio Inventory Item View with Sales and Costs and the Transactions tab. Previous versions of Adagio Order Entry allowed automatically printing invoices or credit notes or shipping labels immediately after posting the document. This upgrade allows automatically printing either the order confirmation or the picking slip or both immediately after posting a brand new order. In the company profile, on the System Options tab, there is a new option called Direct Order Printing that allows you to select the particular document, or both, or neither, after an order is posted. Here we have a new order, and when I say OK to post, and choose an order document type, in this case the picking list has also been selected for auto printing, and also the order confirmation.